us?
Sound is the unseen. Sound is the mysterious.
Sound can be your magic tool.
Sound can invoke a series of thoughts and feelings.
Sound is in art. Sound is in film. Sound is in music. Sound is everywhere.
ReSound encourages performance and installation, music and film.
ReSound amplifies the voices of sound artists from all around the world.
You have a unique opportunity to meet your colleagues and learn from them.
ReSound inspires.
Teaches, encourages.
To take sound, to mold it, to sculpt it, to use it in ways it hasn't been used before.